Alright, welcome people, this is Chris from Drypped Coffee.
This is Jack, aka Captain Sexy.
And today we're going to be showing you how to make a latte at home. Quick and easy. So, starting off with the milk side, because latte is espresso and milk. Let's get it started. The milk we're going to be using is some semi-skim, but you can choose any alternative you want. Soy, oat, just bear in mind when you're heating that, alternatives naturally take a little bit less heat. But, then you're going to need yourself a cafetiera. Not for the coffee itself, but just for the frothing of the milk. I'll show you that later. Then you're gonna need a saucepan to heat up that milk. Alright, and then get onto the coffee.
Now onto the coffee, fam. So today we're gonna be brewing some coffee using some dark arts. Coffee. So we're using some dark arts coffee today, and the Shmoney version.
Shmoney
Yes,
variant.
we got some tasting notes of caramel sweetness blend, and some tropical acidity, and some peachiness.
All that reminds me of is Tropicana.
Yes, which we have pressed using our Aeropress blend. And just to let you guys know, there'll be a link up there somewhere.
All the little details such as like what grind size you need, what dose you need, all of that. It's all on that link. Go check that out. We'll wait and you come back and we'll get started. But without further ado, guys,
Let's talk.
more sexy. Let's get it.
Alright, welcome to how to make a latte at your yard. You got the milk, you got the spoon, you got the cafetiera, and you got the saucepan.
And then you want to add around 25% capacity for that milk.
That cafetiera is a litre there, so you got about 250 mils.
Then you want to pour that shit into your saucepan and start heating it up at medium
heat, bro.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now watch carefully as he puts his pinky out there. He's gonna measure the temperature. 2 Mississippis. 1, 2. Well, that's well too long. So guess what?
heat that shit up.
You were trying to heat it up to what? How much are we heating it to?
So around 63, 65 degrees, depending on the milk.
1 Mississippi to god damn,
that's
hot.
ready.
Shit hot. God damn. Now put that into the cafetiera. Now be careful. We're gonna watch next. What we're gonna be looking at is the pump action. The way you're gonna get that latte is 1, 2, and micro pumps. Let's watch that again. Replay. 1, 2, micro pumps. What does that do, my friend?
Wow, that creates the air. You're pushing air into the milk, so you're allowing the foam to build up with the micro bubbles.
Look at the flick of the wrist there.
Look at the flick of the wrist.
Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist.
Flick of the wrist. Bam. Pull that out now. Now you're going to be looking at another barista trick here. There's a little swirl of the milk, viscosity, and then a simple tap. Yeah, so get rid of all them little stray bubbles there on top of the milk. Make it nice and smooth.
Make it elegant, people.
Now you're going to take that espresso and you're going to mix that in just to get all the nice
Textures.
flavor textures and shit.
Oh my god, we're gonna see
Let's
if
get some latte.
Come on, Jack, you can do this. I believe in you.
That's dead, fam.
Bruh, what? I thought you were Captain Sexy.
Man, it's okay, man. It's not about the look. It's all about the taste. It's not about the length. It's about the motion and the ocean. Yeah.
And that, my friends, is how you make a latte at home. Told you, nice and simple. Once you get the Aeropress espresso done, chuck that in the cup. You follow the little milk frothing technique. You pour that shit in, and it's done. It is ready.
And enjoy that. Yeah, put it in your mouth and swallow.
Oh, bruv, yeah.
Gimme. That peachy body. Ooh, damn, that's some.
Yeah.
Oh
Now, guys, if
God.
you like that, please leave a comment. If you didn't like that, leave a comment again. This us, me not
Exactly.
here. And guys, if you're missing us, if you're missing seeing our face here on YouTube, join us on Instagram. I'm telling you, our Instagram is popping every day.
Actually, we even coming in on some TikTok vibes.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching.
And we'll catch you on the next brew.